Welcome, I'm Alex. If you're studying for the U.S. Citizenship Civics test, you're in the right place. Today's topic is American government. We'll go through all 57 questions from the 100-question version of the Civics test released in 2008. We'll go in order. For each one, I'll read the question, pause, and then I'll read all accepted answers. Think of your answer before I say it. Not sure which civics test you'll need? Visit civicsquestions.com to find out, and subscribe for more videos like this one. All right, here's the first question. What is the supreme law of the land? The Constitution. What does the Constitution do? Sets up the government, defines the government, protects basic rights of Americans. The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words? We, the people. What is an amendment? A change to the Constitution. An addition to the Constitution. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? The Bill of Rights. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Speech. Religion. Assembly. Press. Petition the government. How many amendments does the Constitution have? 27. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Announced our independence from Great Britain. Declared our independence from Great Britain. Said that the United States is free from Great Britain. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? Life, liberty, pursuit of happiness. What is freedom of religion? You can practice any religion or not practice a religion. What is the economic system in the United States? Capitalist economy. Market economy. What is the rule of law? Everyone must follow the law. Leaders must obey the law. Government must obey the law. No one is above the law. Name one branch or part of the government. Congress, legislative, president, executive, the courts, judicial. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful? Checks and balances, separation of powers. Who is in charge of the executive branch? The president. Who makes federal laws? Congress, Senate and House of Representatives, U.S. or national legislature. What are the 2 parts of the U.S. Congress? The Senate and House of Representatives. How many U.S. senators are there? 100. We elect a U.S. senator for how many years? 6. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? 435. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? 2. Name your U.S. representative. This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. Who does a U.S. senator represent? All people of the state. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Because of the state's population. Because they have more people. Because some states have more people. We elect a president for how many years? 4. In what month do we vote for president? November. What is the name of the President of the United States now? Donald Trump. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? J.D. Vance. If the President can no longer serve, who becomes President? The Vice President. If both the President and the Vice President can no longer serve, who becomes President? The Speaker of the House. Who is the Commander-in-Chief of the military? The President. Who signs bills to become laws? The President. Who vetoes bills? The President. What does the President's cabinet do? Advises the President. What are 2 cabinet-level positions? Attorney General, Vice President, Secretary of Agriculture, Secretary of Commerce, Secretary of Defense, Secretary of Education, Secretary of Energy, Secretary of Health and Human Services, Secretary of the Interior, Secretary of Labor, Secretary of State, Secretary of Transportation, Secretary of the Treasury, Secretary of Veterans Affairs, Secretary of Homeland Security, Secretary of Housing and Urban Development. What does the judicial branch do? Reviews laws, explains laws, resolves disputes, disagreements, decides if a law goes against the Constitution. What is the highest court in the United States? The Supreme Court. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? 9. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? John Roberts. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government? To print money. To declare war. To create an army. To make treaties. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states? Provide schooling and education. Provide protection. Police. Provide safety. Fire departments. Give a driver's license. Approve zoning and land use. Who is the governor of your state now? This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. What is the capital of your state? This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. What are the 2 major political parties in the United States? Democratic and Republican. What is the political party of the president now? Republican. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Mike Johnson. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Citizens 18 and older can vote. You don't have to pay a poll tax to vote. Any citizen can vote. Women and men can vote. A male citizen of any race can vote. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? Serve on a jury. Vote in a federal election. Name one right only for United States citizens. Vote in a federal election. Run for federal office. What are two rights of everyone living in the United States? Freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom to petition the government, freedom of religion, the right to bear arms. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? The United States. The flag. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? Give up loyalty to other countries. Defend the Constitution and laws of the United States. Obey the laws of the United States. Serve in the U.S. military, if needed. Serve. Do important work for the nation, if needed. Be loyal to the United States. How old do citizens have to be to vote for president? 18 and older. What are two ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? Vote. Join a political party. Help with a campaign. Join a civic group. Join a community group. Give an elected official your opinion on an issue. Call senators and representatives. Publicly support or oppose an issue or policy. Run for office. Write to a newspaper. When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms? April 15th. When must all men register for the selective service? At age 18.